Look what we have here. We've got one of those famous turbo gas barbecues, and everybody's always asking me about those barbecues with the pumice rocks in it and everything. This is really, really easy. All you do is you just get some old, or you can go to the store and buy these, okay, in any color. It doesn't make any difference. They're 6-inch square tiles, and all I've done is I've moved my rocks over, okay, and I've created this platform out of these 6 little squares. Look at what a nice little area